Today's first news. With the help of Ekal Gramothan Foundation and donors, a computer van, Ekal on Wheel, was received by Balaghat Zone Committee, which will go to remote rural and tribal areas and will provide free computer education. Second news. Village Organization Women Department Sneha Sampark Parivar Work was organized in Zone Darbhanga on 11th July, in which the main speaker was Aarti Devi. The topic was presented by Central Women Chief Chandrakanta Ji. Department Pracharak Ravi Shankar Ji arrived as a guest and the class was inaugurated by lighting the lamp. Workers, zone team and the 5 group heads were present in this class. Third news. On July 17, the 7-day division skill class of Division P5 of Ekal Abhiyan was concluded at IIT Roorkee, Saharanpur campus. In this, the main speaker, Central Training Team member Shambhuji, threw light on the foundation stone of Ekal Abhiyan and its huge form. On this important occasion, Chief Guest Professor Milipand Ji and special guest Dr. Prabhat Verma Ji graced the program with their presence. Fourth news. On July 21st, Satellite Swing Center was inaugurated in Pandarak and Parsavan villages under the aegis of Ekal Gramothan Foundation. In this inaugural ceremony, there was the dignified presence of Ashutosh Kumar, Zonal Coordinator of Ekal Gramothan Foundation, and Dilip Kumar Ji, Manager of Lakhisarai IU. The objective of the program is to make rural women self-reliant and provide them employment opportunities by making them skilled in skills like sewing and embroidery. During this, special enthusiasm was seen among the local rural women. Fifth news. On July 20, the P10 Division Committee of Ekal Abhiyan, South India conducted a field visit to 2 Ekal schools in Komal Group of South Tamil Nadu Division. During this visit, the committee observed teaching activities, student participation, and value-based education. In addition, village-level committee meetings were organized to interact with the local residents, review current Ekal works, and discuss future action plans. Division President M. Balasubramanyam, Division Primary Education in charge Madhavan Ji were present in this visit. Sixth news. Ekal Abhiyan is continuously doing social service and upliftment activities in South India. In this series, a special training program focused on worker quality and personality development was organized for all zonal teams of South Tamil Nadu Division. The objective of which is to increase the quality of workers and focus on their overall personality development so that they can contribute to Ekal mission with more impact and confidence. Seventh news. On July 18, the committee training class of Division West Punjab part Pathankot Zone Gurdaspur was concluded under the chairmanship of Zone President Rimpi Suri Ji. Central Co-Village Organization Chief Raj Singh Ji, Division Village Organization Executive President Baran Kaushik Ji, Division Women Chief Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur Ji, along with the Zonal Gram Panchayat Executive Presidents, Vice Presidents, Secretaries and Zonal workers from the group committees were present in the meeting. 8th news. Under the aegis of Ekal Shrihari Utsav Department, the Ekal Shrihari Mandir Rath Yojana organizes Rath Darshan and village deity worship. In the same sequence, Rath Darshan and village deity worship was completed in Guntal Churia village of Chittoor region of Division South Andhra Pradesh, where a large number of village devotees participated and sang bhajan. 9th news. Under the aegis of Ekal Shrihari Katha Yojana, a grand event of 7-day musical Shrihari Ram Katha was organized in Sendhwa Zone Center with the cooperation of Abhiyan Samiti, which will continue from 22nd July to 28th July 2025.